everybody, thanks for joining me. Sherri Michelle here. Today I'll be making gingerbread man in snow soap. Stay tuned for more. First, I'll melt down the soap and have melt and pour soap, and I'll begin to pour. Spray my alcohol and then begin to layer. When I added the color to the soap, I used a submersion blender, and I shouldn't have because it created too many bubbles in my soap. So that's why it looks a little foamy. These gingerbread men soaps smell so good. They smell just like vanilla ginger. So I added vanilla ginger and pine. This gave me a Christmas outdoorsy smell, and it smells amazing. The soap smells absolutely amazing, and it is so pretty. I love the way the soap came out. It looks like holiday Christmas cheer with the gingerbread man in the snow. And ta-da, gingerbread man in the snow. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment and subscribe below. Also, check out the description box to visit our store. See you soon.